today we're reading about OPEC. Question 1. What are the two most important natural resources found in Southwest Asia? 2. How much of the world's known oil reserves are found in this location? 3. Why was OPEC formed? 4. What does OPEC stand for? And 5. What Southwestern Asian countries have the greatest oil reserves? OPEC. Two of the most important natural resources found in the Middle East, Southwest Asia, are natural gas and oil. These two resources bring wealth into the region because they are needed for much of the world's economy. Deposits of underground oil and natural gas were discovered in Southwest Asia at the beginning of the 1900s. At first, companies from the United States and Europe controlled the drilling and refining of most of this oil, but now most of the oil operations are controlled by the countries themselves. Over half of the world's known oil reserves are found in this part of the world. This has made some of these countries extremely rich and has led them to have a lot of control over the global economy. In the 1960s, several Middle Eastern and Southwest Asian countries joined other oil-rich countries around the world to create the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, in order to have more control over the price of oil on the world market. OPEC has called for an embargo or slowdown or temporary halt to oil supplies at different times in the past to get political and economic agreements from the other countries in the world. While some countries in Southwest Asia have grown very rich due to their oil production, other countries have struggled to help their populations make a decent living. The Middle Eastern, Southwestern Asian countries with the greatest reserve of natural gas and oil are Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, and Kuwait. Some other countries have smaller reserves, especially those found around the Arabian Gulf. These countries have enjoyed tremendous growth in national wealth and an improved standard of living in the past 50 years. Those countries without oil reserves have had a much harder time improving living conditions for their populations. This difference in wealth is some of the Middle East, Southwestern Asian countries has led to conflicts among the nations. All right, go ahead and answer those questions if you would, please.